We keep saying we sort of avoided all of this, and we had some good weather here because it's not as hot.
Yes.
Concerned about those other folks with a lot of rain, but we're about to see some regular stuff here.
Yeah, the heat's going to come, but it's been nice to get a little bit of relief from Barry. Of course, no one's talking good things about Barry in southern Louisiana. Of course, it came on shore there as a Category 1 hurricane with 75-mile-per-hour winds. The heavy rain bands did stretch into New Orleans, but the heaviest rain was just off to the west of it. That was the story throughout the day there along Louisiana shoreline and up into Mississippi, all the way into West Tennessee, where we've seen some good steady rain through the course of the day as it has slowly moved from onshore to the Arkansas line. Literally, if you were a good bicycle rider, you could have kept track with this storm. It was moving that slow across Louisiana, so the rain got up in some areas. Some places have reported over 18 inches of rain. This is what's going on now. We still have heavy bands of precipitation moving over the same spots. They've been getting heavy rain since yesterday, so that's why the intense flooding is still going on, and you see bands of heavy rain now going into Mississippi. Now, as far as how it affected us, it was really kind of good news in July to get a north wind. This is a camera looking north and the clouds coming from the north in July. And it was a mostly cloudy day until we got to the close of it. And without the daytime heating, well, it just cleared out. There were a few sprinkles of rain with it, but it was a dry day for most parts of North Texas. So this is a live look into Fort Worth, the Sundance Square. Just a beautiful evening there right now, 83 degrees. The high today was only 89. I mean, the typical high is 96 degrees, and the low this morning was a balmy 75. But tomorrow morning will be a little bit cooler. We'll have that northwest wind. We'll have temperatures starting in the lower 70s. We'll get up into the mid 80s by lunch hour. We have one more day of Barry affecting us. You can see how the clouds just came on the back side of this throughout the day. But there was also dry air in there, so we never could really get any rain going for us. There it is right now, just in the southwest corner of Arkansas, and this is where it's headed. Further north away from us. The heavy rain for the next 24 hours will be from Little Rock and up and towards the northeast in Arkansas and parts of Missouri into the Ozarks. Tomorrow we'll have a north wind and temperatures will be held in check a little bit. We'll be warmer. We'll be in the mid-90s, and we'll probably have more sunshine as well. But as it continues to pull away, its influence leaves as well, and temperatures start getting hot. In fact, as this upper level disturbance portion of Barry moves away, high pressure builds in, and July, high pressure building in with dry weather, that translates to these kind of numbers. You can expect the hottest weather we've seen so far this summer. In some days, I think any of these days, really starting Tuesday, all the way across the weekend, any one of these days could be our first 100-degree day of the year.